Louis XIV and Colbert visit the Académie des Sciences in 1671. The original was drawn and engraved by Sébastien Leclerc, 1637 to 1714, who was himself a trained and experienced man of science, as well as an artist and scientific draftsman. This is the earliest representation of a meeting of a learned society. It first appeared in the Mémoires pour servir à l'histoire naturelle des animaux, Paris, 1671. The place is a room attached to the King's Library at Paris in the Rue Vivienne, near where the Bibliothèque Nationale now stands. The occasion is a visit to the Académie in 1671 of Louis XIV, who stand in front. On his left is his minister, Jean-Baptiste Colbert, 1619 to 83, who always showed a personal interest in science, both pure and applied. On the king's right is Louis de Bourbon, Prince de Condé, 1621 to 86, and the king's brother, Philip, Duc d'Orléans, 1640 to 1701. Behind these four stand the members, all portraits. Claude Perrault, 1613 to 88, the moving spirit of the Académie, is just behind and between the king and Colbert. G.D. Cassini, 1625 to 1712, stands just behind the other two royal personages and is speaking over his shoulder. To the extreme right of the picture, Jean Picard, 1620 to 82, holds open his Mesures de la Terre. In the forefront of the picture is an armillary sphere, behind and to its right a gigantic concave burning mirror, while by its side is a telescope. Further to the right is a terrestrial globe. Behind these, a large framed map and another rolled up indicate the Académie's interest in cartography. Behind the framed map is a drawing of a gazelle and its dissected parts. In the right forecorner is a stuffed civet or some such animal. In the front to the left on the table is the air pump and compound microscope of Christian Huygens, 1629 to 95. On the back wall is the skeleton of a lion, together with complex stills and other chemical apparatus. Below the open window is a model, perhaps of the waterworks at Versailles. Through the open window is seen the garden where the Académie's astronomical work began. There stands the Académie's large quadrant. In the further distance is the Paris Observatory, still under construction, begun 1667, completed 1672. The artist's license has brought this building some 2 miles nearer than its actual site.